Hello, greetings from Kenya. Today I'm going to talk to you about MyKura. MyKura is a Swahili word for my vote. Think of it this way: a community wants to elect a leader who will deliver for them roads, build for them new schools and hospitals. All these social amenities are very important to a society. But the issue is that every time they're having elections, the elections are disputed. And even after the elections, they are not able to call out the leader, maybe because of failure to deliver for them. So MyKura steps in place to offer a secure, verifiable, and voting platform that enables the voter to be validated, authenticate, actually vote, verify their vote, which is very important so that they're able to know that their vote was not altered. And even after the election, which is not where democracy stops, but where it actually starts, rate the leader, driving to continuous accountability through a set of structured questions. Think of it like world's biggest problem being solved by a simple solution. Currently, we have weak voter validation, meaning that we have the issue of dead voters and ghost voters. We are solving this by having a central voter validation system, for example, like UAE Pass, where the voter can be validated that they are an actual voter and they can be authenticated to vote and actually rate the leader after the election. We have the issue of opaque vote counting due to human interference when the votes are being counted. We're offering a solution of blockchain-based verifiable voter paper audit trail. And even after the election, we can be able to rate this leader, driving to continuous accountability, which currently lacks. You might be wondering, how big is the market opportunity for MyKura and who will use MyKura? In Kenya, we have over 70 plus universities that have democratic processes. For example, currently we have already spoken to one university, which is Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, and they are very interested in piloting our solution. We have over 27 plus professional bodies in Kenya, and I have already spoke to one, which is the Pharmaceutical Society of Kenya, and they are interested in using our solution in their next elections. We also have over 300 circles in Kenya. Why MyKura? Because we are offering trust, not promises. We are offering real election technology, which is the blockchain-based verifiable voter paper audit trail, and even after election, the voters can rate the leaders. How was MyKura born? Allow me to take you to Kenya's darkest history, which was in the 2007 post-election violence due to disputed election results. Over 1,000 people were killed and 600K displaced. Recently, in 2017, our presidential election was nullified, which was actually the first in Africa. And it was nullified because of illegalities and irregularities that were provable without reasonable doubt. In Tanzania, our neighbors here, in 2025, the elections were internationally criticized due to lack of competition and lack of transparency. In the world's oldest democracy, which is in the US, in 2020, over 37% of Americans had low or little confidence that the election would be free and fair. A bit about me: I'm a tech founder. I have experience in building secure system. I see a vision where democracy is upheld and compromise is uprooted. Let's see how the app works. So this is the homepage or the home screen. What the user sees once they open the app, they can log in. Once they log in, they can also see the results from the dashboard and they can see ongoing elections and participate. They can select their candidates, they can confirm their selection, and they can actually navigate to the blockchain-based verifiable paper audit trail, which actually shows the vote count of each individual vote. After the election, they can rate the leaders through a set of structured questions. For example, rate the completion status of public projects. And after that, they can view the results. Allow me to give a special thanks to my mentor. One was Andrea from Brain Gym. She helped me refine the reader rating system from a hotel-based reader rating to a performance-based reader rating, and also my mentor Sarah, who guided me in idea validation. So how are we gonna make money? We want to start small by a subscription-based model that is from the organizations. That is one vote, $1. Our go-to-market strategy is starting small with university pilots and circle partnerships, and from there, through gaining trust, we can acquire more clients. Democracy needs a neutral home to thrive. MyKura belongs in Dubai, where global trust, innovation, and governance meet. Join us in building the future of verifiable and accountable elections. Thank you.